Welcome to another recipe. If you like our recipes, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon button. Here's a list of ingredients you will need for today's recipe. These are also listed in the description box below. So let's get started. We'll start off by taking our oil, adding it to a pan. The flame is on medium-high. Going to put our onions in there now. We're going to cook the onions and brown them. They need to get to the point when they are really dark, just like that. And then we'll add in our tomatoes. Be careful, the oil will splatter. We just need to cook all of this together, constantly stirring it. Now we're going to go in with some Zeera. Mix that in. Chilli Flakes. You can increase or decrease these according to how spicy you want your pilau to be at the end. Now we're going to add half a cup of water. Give that a stir. Red chili powder. Again, you can adjust this according to how spicy you want your pilau. Garam Masala. Salt. This depends on how much rice you're going to be cooking. So you want to take your salt according to the quantity of your rice. We're going to mix that in. 1/4 cup of water. Going to keep our flame on medium-high. Keep stirring it around. Now we go in with our chicken. You can substitute the chicken with lamb or mutton. Or if you want, you can even do it with vegetables. All that's going to happen is the cooking times are going to change slightly. Since I'm using chicken, it cooks fairly quickly. So we're going to put our lid on. Leave that to cook away for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to stir that around now. We don't want it to stay in the same place because we don't want to burn anything over here. So we keep stirring it around. Now we're going to go in with a cup of water. Let that simmer away until the chicken is nice and tender. Once that's happened, we'll go in with our rice. Again, it depends how much rice you want to cook. You'll take the water according to your cooking instructions of the rice. So we'll put the rice in now. We give that a little mix with a light hand because we don't want to break any of the grains. If you stir it too much, you end up with a mush. So we'll cover that up, cook it up until the water has evaporated and it's been soaked up by all your rice. So at this stage, the rice isn't cooked fully. We'll just give it a quick stir. Put the lid on and then we'll turn the flame onto high, let the steam build up, and then turn the flame down again and let it cook away for another 10 minutes or so. Now the pulau's ready, we can plate it up. We'll serve it up nice and warm, straight onto a serving tray. And this pilau can be served with some raita. I'll show you how to make a raita, a quick version of a raita. Please let us know in the comment section how you like this pilau recipe. And don't forget to hit the like button and press the subscribe button as well. So for a raita, what we're going to do is we're going to take some yogurt. And what I'll do first is I'll add in some bundi, which I've soaked in water, and then drain the water away. That goes in. And I've got these cucumbers that I've diced up, onions, and 1 green chili. Give that a little mix. Now we'll add in our spices, which is salt, black pepper, cumin, and chaat masala. Give that a mix, and that's a quick raita to enjoy with your pilau. Please try these recipes out. Let us know in the comment section how you got on with it, and thank you for watching.